me to start this thing, or you would like to ask questions first? How you would like to go? So, this Nasser Polo Club, I would like to briefly say, it is an institution which has been started by the Nasser Club administration in 2004 for the promotion of equestrian sports cover polo as well show jumping and dressage. These three disciplines comes under equestrian sport. Now it's a great encouragement for the young children especially to come up. Now, for your information, you must know we won a gold in Asian Games, Indian team in dressage, gold only. This gold in dressage. I played a little role. I was one of the national selectors selecting the Asian Games team, last Asian Games. Even now also I am continuing as a national selector. We are now formulated a criteria for Asian Games selection. We will be going ahead with the trials and other things. Now coming to this particular show, this REL is a Regional Equestrian League. You see what happened when we started junior competitions in the junior nationals. There used to be a lot of entries, say amounting to 300, 400 in each competition. So it became difficult for the organizers to organize jumping from morning till evening, so many people. So to eliminate that stress on the organizing committee, every region they started competitions where these youngsters, young riders were given opportunity to participate in children 2, children 1 competitions, then junior and then young riders. These 4 constitute the junior nationals. Tent pegging and 1-day eventing, those are 2 different aspects which we are not covering. These jumping and dressage only we are taking. Now in these competitions we select them. We have a set jumping courses which come from Equestrian Federation of India from Delhi. We lay those courses and test these boys, and there is a criteria. For example, if a youngster gets less than 8 jumping falls, he is selected for representing the nationals at Delhi or Calcutta or wherever it is held. So thus, reducing the pressure from the main junior national championship competition, so that only the top people will go ultimately to participate in the nationals. Filtration is done at the regional level. Bangalore conducts regional championships, we conduct regional championships, Bombay conducts, Calcutta conducts, all these Madras, all these from people, they send the teams who are qualified, ultimately they go to JNEC. JNEC, Junior National Equestrian Championship. That's how this concept was formed, because there was too much of rush directly going to the nationals. Mind you, this is only for junior level. Junior level is from young riders down to children 1. Other senior competitions, there is no elimination of such, because entries are not that much. The senior jumping competition or dressage competition or Olympic trials or Asian Games trials, there is no such restriction. They can directly go and participate in JNEC. Now this institution, when we came few years back, Mr. Ahmed and his party took so much of interest, developed these grounds to international level where we can conduct these competitions now. Now we are going to have this REL main competitions on 8th and 9th. 8th and 9th, no?
Yes, sir.
8th and 9th, these regional competitions will be held. Along with that, we are going to have local Hyderabad horse show also. So that Telangana horse show. So that the local youngsters who are not fit for regional competitions, their standard if it is below than that, they can compete in all these competitions. Like we have 60 centimeter jumping competition, 80 centimeter jumping competition, 1 meter jumping competition, where these youngsters are exposed to their skills to go over these jumps. That will give them a good experience, and finally they can also participate in the regional equestrian league championships to qualify for junior nationals. This is in broad nutshell how the competition goes on. Recently we had 1 week back in HPRC the same competition, and we are having now here. So any further questions you want, you can ask, or you would like to add something.
Ready, sir.
Just now you have heard Colonel S.L. Reddy speak to you about the REL. I would like to add a little about Hyderabad and the sport. As you all know, equestrian was very prominent from time immemorial in Hyderabad. It was a very popular sport. We were hosting a lot of polo matches here, as well as Hyderabad Art Show and all. Earlier, the Telangana Equestrian Association had organized a national game and national show jumping competitions also. I am very happy, we all are very happy to tell you that Nasser Polo Club came up to support this sport along with other clubs, and this is one of the pioneer clubs now with a Silka grounds, show jumping grounds and all. Thank you.
Everyone, first of all, I would like to inform you regarding our very strong team at Telangana State Equestrian Association, which has been formed by Colonel S.L. Reddy, Dr. K.C.S. Reddy, Major Swami and others who are not present today. So the history which has been spoken about our standing in the equestrian sport of the state of Telangana, as well as the riders from the state of Telangana. The riders I've just mentioned, they have all achieved great standards at the national and international level. So they are riders of repute in the entire nation. Colonel S.L. Reddy, Dr. K.C.S. Reddy and Major Swami, they are all got very good reputation in the equestrian circuit. As was explained, the equestrian sport is a very, a sport which builds character, which is why it is so popular amongst children, so that the children, they participate and it really improves the standard of their character. So here in Hyderabad, the Telangana State Equestrian Association has been formed with this aim, that is firstly to develop the youth of the state in the equestrian sport and to make our mark at the national and international level. So I'm happy to report that we have many riders who have represented the nation overseas in Asian Games and other competitions. And even as we are speaking right now, we have a number of riders who are winning the competition at national level. So the REL, as has been explained, is the filtration for the junior nationals. And again, one is happy to report that the junior nationals, we have got a very fair representation. Each region is given 2 RELs. So 2 RELs, and the rider has to qualify in 2 RELs to be eligible for the JNEC. The rider can participate in numerous REL. Earlier, we used to have people going to Bangalore, going to Delhi and other places only to participate in REL. But everyone cannot manage to do that, so that opportunity has to be given to everyone, which is why in each region we are permitted to have up to 2 RELs. In the club, training the children and thereafter giving the children the opportunity to shine at the REL and subsequently at the national level.
Right.
All right.
I am Raghu. I am the secretary of Telangana State Equestrian Association. So the
overall objective and the game and how it is developed. Colonel S.L. Reddy and Dr. KCS and Brigadier Ali Muhammad is covered. I just want to say a few words about the link with Hyderabad, how it is. We have many riders who achieved many awards in different disciplines. Colonel S.L. Reddy garu and Dr. KCS Reddy garu and as well Major Swami garu and Paparao A.S. garu. And a few years back, Nukala Chetan Reddy, I think he participated in Asia. He is also from Hyderabad. At present, there are 4 kids out of entire India it's participated in the Youth Asian competition. 2, Jayveer Verma and Sahiti. The both are from Hyderabad and they are part of the TSCA. Initially, they participated in our Telangana State Equestrian
They are in the
competition.
Indian team.
Grounds.
They
are part of the
Indian
Indian.
team. Bahrain also won
Yeah.
that youth championship.
Yeah.
Asian Youth
Youth
Championship,
Asian
Bahrain,
Championship.
mentioned that.
Yes.
Half of the team is from Telangana.
Yeah, the 4 in India, I think 2 are from Telangana. So I think just it's not only to select, I think we are also taking care and providing the guidance and how really they are moving forward and how they are achieving. That is, and a few other kids, and the Shashank Verma and Abbas, they are also getting trained and possibly I think just they will get an opportunity to participate in the Asia.
Shashank Verma is already selected for.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం, ప్రెస్ వాళ్ళకి నమస్కారం. చాలా సంతోషం, ఫ్రెష్ కవరేజ్ చేస్తున్నారు మీరు, నాసర్పూర్ వాళ్ళు ఆర్గనైజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ ఈక్వెస్ట్రియన్ అసోసియేషన్ TSEA was formed. ఇది ఫార్మేషన్ అయింది ఇమీడియట్లీ ఆఫ్టర్ ద ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ స్టేట్. తెలంగాణ అదృష్టం ఏంటి అంటే టాప్ రైడర్స్, ద బెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద రైడర్స్ హు హ్యావ్ ఎ ఫేమ్ nationally and internationally, like S.L. Reddy garu, Dr. KCS Reddy garu. I don't say that నా పేరని, తర్వాత బాబారావు గారు, మేము అందరం ఇంటర్నేషనల్ పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసాం. ఒకరోజు బాబారావు గారు IAS, ది ఫస్ట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద TSA, వారు ఒక చిన్న కాల్ చేసి మన నలుగురిని పిలిచి మాట్లాడారు. మనం గుర్రస్వారీని ప్రమోట్ చేయాలా తెలంగాణలో, ఎట్లా అని దానికి స్టేట్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ చేయాలి. దాన్ని మేము రిజిస్టర్ చేసినాము. మిస్టర్ మైకల్ పేడ్ మేజర్ రోల్, అన్ని డాక్యుమెంట్స్ అంతా ప్రొక్యూర్ చేయటము, రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ చేసినాం. తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ ఈక్వెస్ట్రియన్ అసోసియేషన్ 2016లో ఫామ్ అయింది. దాని తర్వాత 2 క్లబ్లు ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటే క్లబ్ ఉండేది HPRC, హైదరాబాద్ పోలో రైడింగ్ క్లబ్ అండ్ అజీజ్ నగర్. దట్ వాజ్ ఫామ్. ఇట్స్ అ బిగ్ క్లబ్. అక్కడ దాన్ని కంప్లీట్గా కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేసి మన SLD గారు, డాక్టర్ KCS Reddy గారు విజిట్ చేసి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ప్రకారంగా వాటి రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ప్రకారంగా గ్రౌండ్ డెవలప్ చేసేసి మొదలు ఆశోక్రమం మొదలుపెట్టాం. దాని తర్వాత అది 2016లో. దాని తర్వాత 12 క్లబ్లు హైదరాబాద్ చుట్టూ ఫామ్ అయినాయి. ఎయిమ్ వాజ్ టు ప్రమోట్ ద యూత్ ఇన్ equestrian activities. That's how 12 clubs have started participating, have come up. And owners are so keen, like Nasser Polo. Mr. Ahmad and his brothers are doing a great job. పెద్ద పని చేస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళు, పెద్ద సేవ చేస్తున్నారు ఈక్వల్ స్పోర్ట్స్కి. వాళ్ళ పెద్ద ఆర్గనైజేషన్, స్కూల్ పెద్ద ఆర్గనైజేషన్, ప్రతి చోట వాళ్ళు కీన్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తీసుకొని ఈరోజు వాళ్ళ కూతురు, వాళ్ళ కొడుకు ఇంటర్నేషనల్ షో ఛాంపియన్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తారు. కేవలం మేము ఇచ్చిన ప్రమోషన్ ఎఫర్ట్ చేయబట్టి. మేమే అని కాదు, వాళ్ళ ఇంట్రెస్ట్, పేరెంట్స్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కూడా ఉంది. గుర్రస్వారీ అంటే చిన్న గేమ్ కాదండి, ఏదో వాలీబాల్ ఆడారు, ఫుట్బాల్ ఆడారు పోవడం. గుర్రం ఉండాలి, మంచి మేలుకరమైన గుర్రం ఉండాలి, దానికి ట్రైనర్ ఉండాలా, పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసే స్టూడెంట్, పిల్లడు, అమ్మాయి అయినా అబ్బాయి అయినా వాడికి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉండాలా. గుర్రం నుంచి పడడం సహజం, కానీ గుర్రం నుంచి పడ్డాక మళ్ళీ లేచి మళ్ళీ సవారీ చేయడమే అది గొప్పతనం. అట్లా పిల్లలు పైకి వచ్చి 12 క్లబ్లు మేము ఫామ్ చేసినాం మొత్తం స్టేట్లో. ఈరోజు మన పిల్లలు, తెలంగాణ పిల్లలు వేరే స్టేట్లో JNCకి పోయినప్పుడు, జూనియర్ నేషనల్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ పోయినప్పుడు, నేను భూపాల్ పోయింది టీం మెంబర్కి. అక్కడ ముందు తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ ఈక్వెస్ట్రియన్ ఎవరు అబ్బాయి పిల్లలు ఎవరితో అర్థం కాదు. ఎప్పుడైతే మా పిల్లలు గోల్డ్ మెడల్, సిల్వర్ మెడల్ తీసుకుంటా పోయినారో, అక్కడ స్పోర్ట్స్ మినిస్టర్ అక్కడ మాధవరాజు సింగ్యా గారి చేయలేదు, ఆవిడ స్పోర్ట్స్ మినిస్టర్, ఆమె సంతోషపడింది. మ్యాక్సిమం మెడల్స్ తీసుకొచ్చారు మన పిల్లలు. ఇక్కడ ట్రైన్ చేయబట్టి అండర్ గైడెన్స్ ఆఫ్ కరణ్ రెడ్డి గారు, డాక్టర్ KCS Reddy గారు, అదర్ టీమ్ మెంబర్స్. దట్స్ హౌ ఈ స్పోర్ట్ ఇక్కడ ప్రమోట్ అయ్యింది. ఈరోజు ఒక నేషనల్ స్టాండింగ్ మన పిల్లలు. 2 పిల్లలు 3 పిల్లలు బయట ట్రైన్ అవుతున్నారు. ఒకడేమో మన మిస్టర్ సమీర్ సన్ జయవీర్ వర్మ, ఇంకోడేమో
Shashank Verma.
సాహితి, అండ్ థర్డ్ వన్
Shashank Verma.
శశాంక్ వర్మ. ఒకరేమో ఇండియాలో, ఒకరేమో 2-3 కంట్రీస్లో చేస్తున్నారు. ఇది కొంచెం ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది పేరెంట్స్కి. ఎప్పుడైతే తన కొడుకును మంచిగా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయాలి, మంచి నేషనల్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ రైడర్ కావాలి ఈ స్పోర్ట్లో అంటే డబ్బు చాలా ఖర్చు అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మిస్టర్ అహ్మద్ నాసర్ పోవడం ఉన్నారు కదా, వారి కూతురు కోసం బాంబ్ బ్రెడ్ అంటే ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ హార్సెస్, మంచి స్టామినా, మంచి స్పీడ్, మంచి స్టేయింగ్ కెపాసిటీ కూడా కొనుక్కొని వచ్చి కూతురు ట్రైన్ చేస్తున్నారు. అది పేరెంట్స్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మీద కూడా ఉంటుంది, ఎట్లా ప్రమోట్ చేయడానికి. దట్స్ హౌ ఈరోజు మన తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ పీపుల్స్ స్పోర్ట్లో ఏ స్టేట్ కంటే కూడా తక్కువ లేదు. అండ్ వీ విష్ దెమ్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ లక్ అండ్ వీ కంటిన్యూ టు సపోర్ట్ దెమ్. అండ్ పాపరావు ప్రెసిడెంట్ అయిన తర్వాత కొన్ని కారణాల వల్ల వారు రిజైన్ చేసినారు. నర్సిరెడ్డి గారు బికేమ్ ద ప్రెసిడెంట్. దాని తర్వాత దే వాజ్ నో పాయింట్ వేర్ వి టర్న్ బ్యాక్ అండ్ వి డిడ్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్లీ వెల్ in training the classes, conducting the classes in jumping, dressage and riding normal riding classes. Regular once in 3 months we have conducted classes for the
Okay, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Mir Hafizuddin Ahmed.
కొద్దిగా గట్టిగా క్లౌడ్ మాట్లాడు.
Hello everyone, my name is Mir Hafizuddin Ahmed. I am the Chief Executive Officer for the Nasser Education Society. Under Nasser Education Society, we run the Nasser Polo and Equestrian Academy. Our original idea for running this place in Janwada was to develop a polo facility. But as the years progressed, under the guardianship of Colonel S.R.D. sir, Major Swami sir, Dr. K.C. sir, we have developed equestrian facility here, wherein we are training children and young riders and also adults in show jumping and dressage. With a very able and capable team, we have 45 horses for which we develop the equestrian sports for children to participate in regional shows as well as national and international shows. Over here we are gathered today to launch the Telangana Show Jumping Championship that will be conducted from 5th to 9th November. Within the Telangana Show Jumping Championship, through the ages of the TICA under the guardianship, we are also going to conduct the Regional Equestrian League, which is a premier equestrian competition from the Equestrian Federation of India. Equestrian Federation India is the body which controls and conducts the equestrian activities all over India, and they also enable riders to represent India abroad, making the nation proud to be able to, for the athletes to carry the national flag in the international arenas. In this competition, we expect a lot of riders who are going to be as young as 10 years of age to as old as 21 years of age, wherein they will compete in various categories, which has been very carefully designed by the Equestrian Federation of India and also very carefully designed by the Telangana State Equestrian Association for fair competition between all riders in different age groups. The competition will be for children 2, children 1, young rider and junior categories for show jumping and dressage. We expect all horses to arrive into Nasser Polo by 4th of November. 5th November, the competition is going to begin, and we invite all the viewers and all the participants to Nasser Polo to enjoy the sport and to also in future try to compete and be part of the sport as a able participant for the equestrian activities. Thank you.
आप सर वो टी-शर्ट
అరే అన్న చేదియనా
क्या हुआ ना?
एक मिनट वेट सर
Telangana Equestrian Association conducted by Nasser Polo Club. main hosts are Nasser Polo Club. They are doing all the organization, infrastructure, stabling of the horses and taking care of the athletes. And the main events in this competition are show jumping and dressage. This starts from youngsters like children 2 who are under 14, children 1 above 14, then junior riders and young riders. These 4 classes competition will be conducted here. And those who are selected from here will go to junior national championship competitions held at various places in India. That is the main role of this thing, and it starts from 5th to 9th of November, and it's all under the organization of Nasser Polo Club. We should be thankful to them for organizing this.
We invite all of you.